playful pattern of furs and beaks. Placed at pleasurable distances from one another, I'd like to place myself closer to you. Your living room is a showcase of grand millennial design. I could move in with you. Is it too soon to let you know how I feel when I'm drunk on your record collection? I better take myself home. I better take myself home. Don't wanna end up alone. Don't wanna end up alone. I hold a memory, a painful pattern of bone and wing. Space at suspicious distances from one another. If I could lose myself inside of you. My living room is a display of perfect cascades aligned. I could fall for you. Am I too late to let you know how I feel when I'm stuck between the pop and classical section? I better take myself home.